This is the Orange Voice of the World 60 watt, 16 ohm silver label speaker that comes in the Orange Crush 60 amp. I'm going to demonstrate that the voice coil is scratchy. You hear the scratchiness in the speaker. The speaker is on the clean setting with volume at noon. So I will show when I apply pressure, the scratchiness goes away here. Returns, not scratchy. Scratchy, scratchy, not scratchy. Scratchy, not scratchy. Scratchy, not scratchy. So that's symptomatic of a voice coil that is rubbing. Something about applying pressure there allows the voice coil to get the clearance it needs so that it doesn't rub. I would guess the speaker could be repaired by a technician, but it seems cheaper to just replace the speaker. Putting the speaker in the amp is really easy for me. It would just take 5 minutes. So hopefully that's the right decision to just buy a new speaker. Okay.